Okay, this will be the first in a series of a couple videos talking about making a 3D printable object. Now I'm using Autodesk Fusion 360, but it's the same as SolidWorks. It'll just you'll save your file as an STL. So I'm just going to make a widget real quick here in this. Let you watch me make the widget. And my widget is done. Okay, so let's say you made a widget in SolidWorks that looks something like this. You will go through and you will save this file. File, save. Okay, I'll call it 3D print for my first 3D print. Okay, and each of these videos that I make, I'm going to keep them to about 2 minutes or so. Okay, and they'll build on the last, what I did last, the last thing I did. Okay, so now I'm going to do file. I'm going to do 3D print. It'll be same in yours. You might be save it as an STL file. Okay, I click on the object. I say OK, and I'm going to save this, and I'm calling it 3D print. And that will be the end of this first video, and that will create an STL file. That's one of the options in SolidWorks as well.